Hey guys, Matt here. So in this video, I want to talk about my crypto wallet and why I think a hardware wallet is much better than a cloud wallet. So this right here is my Ledger Nano S. Now, I know it's not the latest. I know the Nano X recently came out, but there was a 3-week hold time on having that shipped out to me. And I mean, since I'm only getting 2-3 coins max, the Nano S is perfectly fine for what I need it to do. So why a hardware wallet and not a cloud wallet? Well, in order for me to answer that question, let's talk about what a wallet actually is. What is this wallet? Like, what does a crypto wallet do? Is this where you store your funds? Like, is there money on this device right here? No, it's not. And we're going to use Bitcoin as an example. Your funds are not stored, your cryptocurrency is not stored on your crypto wallet. Where your Bitcoin is stored is, so on every single system on the Bitcoin network, every single computer, every single system, every single server on there, it has a ledger. And on that ledger is every single Bitcoin user in existence and their public address and all the transactions that have taken place. So it's not stored in any one place. It's stored identically on every single computer on the Bitcoin network. Now, on that ledger is your public address. Now, that public address is what you give to people so they can send you Bitcoin. You can give that to people freely without being hacked. You cannot be hacked using your public address. Now, if you want to do things with your account, such as add Bitcoin, pay other people, or transfer Bitcoin into dollars, for that, you will need your private address. Your wallet, be it hardware-based or cloud-based, is a thing that contains your private address. Your private address is the only thing that can do those things. And any entity that owns your private address can do those things. Any entity that owns that address, that private address, can do whatever it wants. It can drain your account. It can transfer funds into another account. It can do whatever it wants. And there is no one that can stop it. Not Coinbase, no one. So it is adamant that your private address be as secure as possible. Now, I'm not going to sit here and say that cloud wallets like Trust Wallet and Coinbase aren't secure. I'm pretty sure that they have their own security setup. Otherwise, they wouldn't be popular. However, the very fact that they are so accessible over the internet, the very fact that they are cloud-based wallets means they are able to be hacked. So whether someone compromises Coinbase, someone compromises Trust Wallet, or someone, socially engineers their way into your wallet, at that point you're done. And none of those entities, not Coinbase, they can't help you. The very fact that your wallet can be reached over the internet at any time is a problem. And let's just brush security aside here. The whole point of crypto, the whole point behind crypto is that you own everything. Not some cloud wallet entity, not Coinbase, not Trust Wallet, not the Fed. No one owns crypto except for you. And if you put your funds in a cloud-based wallet, you relinquish some of that ownership, because as much as you like to think, as much as Coinbase tells you that you own that wallet, you don't 100% own your cloud wallet. Now, my private wallet, it's not connected to the internet. It's not connected to anything. It's right here. Unless the world comes up with some sort of techno wizardry bullshit, this can't be hacked. You can't hack this from where it is right now. The only times that we're just as connected to anything is when I connect it to make a transaction. Once I'm done with my transaction, I unplug it, and it is back to being virtually, practically unhackable. Now, you can easily make the argument of accessibility. For example, what if someone steals this wallet? Okay, well, whoever steals this wallet has 3 chances to enter in the PIN. And if they fail to enter in the PIN 3 times, this device here, it doesn't lock, it resets. Now, no one can use this to access my crypto. Now, as long as I have my recovery phrases, I can easily just buy a new wallet, or if I want to be stupid, get a cloud wallet and put my recovery phrases, and I'm back in the game with all the crypto that I had before. Now, you can also make the argument that depending on the model of your hardware wallet, it may not support the altcoin that you want. Now, that may be true, but if that's the case, then in my personal opinion, that altcoin just ain't worth it. So, in closing, yeah, cloud wallets are much more accessible. I'll give it that. But I'll take the security of a hardware wallet any day of the week. But anyways, take care, have a great day, and eat your vegetables.